laying the foundation. Baja Auto was a visionary venture initiated in 1990 by brothers Sandeep Dhir and Satwant Singh. The company gained traction by manufacturing affordable and durable off-road vehicles, particularly popular for recreational use. Its most prominent early success was seen with the launch of the Baja Mini Bike, which became an instant hit in the market for its compact design and economical price point. Best inventions. The company's best inventions included the Baja Doodle Mini Bike and the Baja Warrior Mini Bike, which epitomized the brand's commitment to manufacturing robust, adventurous vehicles that captured the spirit of the off-road experience. These compact yet powerful bikes gained considerable attention, expanding Baja's user base and establishing the company as a reliable provider of recreational vehicles. The fall. Over time, Baja Auto faced challenges due to evolving consumer demands and regulatory changes that affected the production and distribution of their vehicles. The company's fall can be attributed to a shift in market trends, increased competition, and difficulties in adapting to changing industry standards. This ultimately led to the cessation of the company's operations.